Hello, Sac City Unified families. I'm reaching out to you to describe how we're handling this latest COVID-19 surge in Sac City Unified. Following winter break, our district has experienced an increase in staff and student absences due to this wave of the Omicron variant. As you might have heard, positive COVID-19 cases are increasing across Sacramento County. And as cases spread across California, we see the impact reflected within our own school communities as well. In fact, I saw it this morning in the long line stretching onto 47th Avenue when I returned to our district offices from visiting several of our schools, New Joseph Bonheim, Tahoe, Father Keith B. Kenny, Bowling Green Chacon, JFK, and Burbank High School. Like districts across the state, staffing shortages such as substitute teacher coverage has impacted our work. Our challenges are real. For example, last Friday, there were 586 staff absences, which is about a 21% absentee rate. Given the shortage of substitutes, we were able to cover just about half of those absences with substitute teachers. We also recorded just over 300 staff and almost 1,300 student unduplicated positive cases, for a total of about 1,600 positive cases. Our health services team is working at maximum capacity to identify those positive cases that were physically present at school and at work, and provide exposure notifications to our community members. Despite the challenges we are currently facing, we support Governor Newsom's commitment to remain open for safe, in-person learning at all of our school sites. Our district and school site leaders are working hard to manage staffing shortages as they arise, while keeping our students and staff safe through our health and safety protocols, and also providing an equitable learning environment for all of our students. Our district is also working to identify and advocate for strategies that will increase, for example, the pool of substitute teachers who can help address short-term staffing needs at each of our school sites. While the risk of exposure to COVID-19 remains a concern everywhere in our region, our schools are a safe haven for many of our students, and we know that. With the health and safety protocols that our school sites are following to help mitigate the spread of COVID-19, schools, in fact, can be one of the safest places for our students to be, even when COVID is surging in our broader community. We're reiterating today our request that students and staff with symptoms, those who have tested positive for COVID-19, or those who have been exposed to someone who's tested positive, that they stay home following the guidelines recommended by Sacramento Public Health. Please know that our school leaders will do their best to work with teachers so that students who must stay home due to illness, quarantine, or because of family concern about exposure to COVID can stay current with lessons covered in their classrooms. The current COVID surge underscores the importance of getting vaccinated. Public health officials strongly advise getting a booster dose now if you're eligible. And Sac City Unified will continue to host COVID-19 vaccination clinics for anyone ages 5 and up, including students, staff, families, and our broader community. Sac City Unified also continues to offer COVID-19 testing at all of our school sites every Monday through Friday in school site care rooms, routine surveillance testing at most of our school locations, and at CERNA from noon to 3 p.m., and also at Albert Einstein Middle School from 3 to 6:30 p.m. In partnership with Sacramento County Department of Public Health and the Sacramento County Office of Education, we will continue to monitor this fluid situation, and we'll keep Sac City Unified families apprised of any potential changes to school schedules. In the meantime, please know that we are working diligently to serve our students and families, and we will continue to problem solve in order to get through this latest COVID wave. We ask for continued grace in the face of ever-changing conditions from this unprecedented pandemic, and encourage you to reach out with any questions or concerns.